Hey guys, and good morning. And I wake up and I'm in my PJs playing with slime with you. And it's clear slime. It has these cool sounds. One here. Put closer. So it's real and it makes good bubbles. Look, like this. So I'm gonna leave it right here. Look. That I made. This is my slime I made. And it's not like that how you make bubbles. I make like this. So I leave it like that. So it could be flat. And then I go like this. That's my bubble. It's cool. Let's give it a test. So look, this is what I do for a test. I get up here, and then I do this. And it falls down. I do fast.
How did you make that slime?
It's easy. Put clear glue. Put some cornstarch. I mean, how you say? I don't know what's this.
Activator.
Activator and borax.
Whoa, that's really cool.
Well, you need lots of activator because if you don't use all of it, not all of it, it's not going to turn like this.
Can I try this?
Yes. Let's feel it.
So Jina made this slime. That's so impressive. And I like the slime. It's so clicky, Jina.
Thanks. I'm on the table. It looks like cool like that. It makes
I'm gonna
sound.
try pulling it down.
That sounds cool. Is that cool, guys? Please check Julie's channel and Farina's channel. Toys Land, that's Farina. And Sister Vlogs, that's Julie's channel. Julie makes lots of slime, and Farina makes
You guys can
lots
also
of
learn
slime.
how to make slime on my channel. Jina made the slime without my permission, which I'm actually proud of her.
Yeah.
Because I always keep the glue in the house, but she actually made one.
Yeah, because I know where she puts her stuff, and I know it's Julie's password on her phone.
So
I'm not going to tell it to you.
Do you want to stretch it? Do you want to stretch it?
Yeah.
Ready?
Stretch it. But if it falls down, Mommy's going to be mad, okay?
Oh, our mom's going to be mad at us.
Yeah, because she doesn't like us when we do slime in the house.
Well, she doesn't like slime because on the carpet, because if it gets on the carpet, it's going to stay on there. And then when it stays on there, it's going to be yucky. And then when it's on there, there's going to be rats everywhere. And there's rats, and there's going to be the miserable life.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try pulling it one more time.
Okay, if it's you did it, you're troubled. Because I'm going to tell Mom you
Can we
did
do a
it.
braid? Here, you have that. Roll them in three into like this pieces.
You need 3, so I'll have all of it.
No, I'm just going to
How's your...
just leave it like that. And then you put this one into there. And then it just got stuck there. And then you got there, here.
And then
And then this one comes here, and then this.
That's horrible.
And then I just scribble.
It's my
Okay,
turn.
let her to play.
So guys, I will play with this like this. Come a little bit close.
Whoa, Jina made a mark.
Look, let me just pull up my sleeves so I don't get my clothes dirty, my PJs. So like that. Oh, my clothes are guys. Oh, guys, one more thing. I'm going to show you one more thing. try one more time. Want to try one more time, guys? Let's try one more time. Okay. Press it there. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this. Well, if you can make a bubble like that, try it. Cause I can make a bubble. Peace out, guys. Woo! Sorry. Please subscribe. Click the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. It's on that screen. Please check out Julie's channel and Farina's channel. Toysland is Farina and Sister Vlogs, that's Julie. Please subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell. And goodbye, fans!